Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Counter-Strike 2 with your friends without paying anything on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Library to access your game collection. This is where all your installed and available games are listed. In the left panel of your library, scroll through your games and locate Counter-Strike 2. Click on it to open the game's main page. Now here's something important you need to know. You can actually play CS2 with friends completely free on Steam without paying anything because Counter-Strike 2 itself is a free-to-play game. There's no purchase required, no premium subscription needed. All you need to do is set up a lobby and invite your friends to join you and you're good to go. Once you have Counter-Strike 2 selected, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see a Friends panel. Go ahead and open this panel. This is where you can see all your Steam friends who are currently online and available to play. The Friends panel makes it easy to connect with people directly from within the game interface. Now find the friend you want to invite to play with you. Once you spot their name, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for interacting with that friend. From this menu, click on Invite. This sends them a direct invitation to join your CS2 lobby. After you click Invite, you'll need to wait for your friend to accept the invitation. This usually only takes a few seconds if they're actively online and available. Once they accept, they'll be added to your lobby and you can start playing together right away. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up a free CS2 session with your friends without spending a single cent. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.